بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والذين يقولون ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين وجعلنا للمتقين إماما.
Parenting is the toughest job in the world. Oftentimes, as parents, you continue to feel irritated, frustrated, and exasperated with your children. If you see every parenting problem as a nail, you would try to solve it with a hammer. To all parents out there, have you ever felt dumbfounded or overwhelmed raising your children? Have you ever felt like giving up? The good news is you are not alone. Practically every parent has his or her moments when parenting becomes too much of a challenge.
Parenting is never easy. There is no guarantee that you will succeed as a parent. Yet, with a positive mindset, correct principles, knowledge, tools, and techniques, you are far more likely to raise children who are motivated, less self-centered, concerned about people. Imagine a child of yours, all grown up, putting in their best effort to be useful to society in whatever capacity they are in. At Cool Mom Super Dad, we equip you with the Muslim Parenting Toolbox. We help you identify your problems and we show you how to deal with them successfully. We teach you the theory, the practical examples that can make or break you as a parent. What does the Quran say about parenting, about leadership in the family, about mothers and fathers? How are mothers and fathers different and how are they the same? What about sibling rivalry? What is the Muslim way of raising children? When must you be gentle and when must you be firm? What does research say about ages and stages, about brain development from toddler to teen? What about adolescence? When does it start? And when does it end?
Parenting is not just about raising children who behave well. Parenting is about discovering children's potential, nurturing their talents, and inspiring them to become gifts to the world. As parents and educators, our main purpose is to raise children who wants to excel, become the future leader, and be the best they can be. With the Muslim Parenting Toolbox, you will discover different tools and various successful techniques to help you to become the cool mom and super dad.